Want a personalized touch in Chrome? I'll guide you on how to change the default font style. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to customize your browsing experience. Select the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window, or press Alt plus F on your keyboard. Select Settings. Click Appearance on the left-hand side. Then click Customize Fonts on the right. Use the drop-down menus to choose which fonts to use for the standard, serif, sans serif, and fixed width styles.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe for more content.